If you've been striving to develop bigger and stronger legs but haven't seen the desired results yet, don't worry. Because in this video, we will unveil 5 powerful exercises to build bigger and stronger legs. So, let's get started. 1. Squats. Squats are considered the king of leg exercises for good reason. They target multiple muscle groups simultaneously, including the quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and calves. To perform a squat, stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, keep your chest up, and lower your body by bending your knees. Aim to lower yourself until your thighs are parallel to the ground and then push through your heels to return to the starting position. If you're new to this exercise, start with body weight squats and gradually increase the resistance by adding weights or using a barbell. 2. Lunges. Lunges are a fantastic exercise that targets the quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and calves while improving stability and balance. Begin by standing with your feet hip-width apart. Take a step forward with one leg, then lower your body until both knees are bent at a 90-degree angle and push through your front heel to return to the starting position and repeat on the other leg. You can perform walking lunges or stationary lunges to vary the intensity. For added resistance, hold dumbbells or a barbell across your shoulders. 3. Deadlifts. Deadlifts primarily target the posterior chain, including the hamstrings, glutes, and lower back, but they also engage the quadriceps. To perform a conventional deadlift, start with your feet shoulder-width apart, bend at the hips while maintaining a neutral spine, and grasp the barbell with an overhand grip. Keep your chest up, drive through your heels, and lift the bar by extending your hips and knees. Lower the barbell in a controlled manner to complete 1 repetition. Deadlifts can be performed with a barbell, dumbbells, or kettlebells. 4. Leg press. The leg press machine is an excellent exercise for developing leg strength and size, particularly targeting the quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. Adjust the seat and foot placement on the machine according to your comfort and ensure your knees are at a 90-degree angle. Push the platform away from you by extending your legs, keeping your back firmly against the seat. Control the weight as you lower the platform back down to complete 1 repetition. Varying foot positions on the platform will emphasize different leg muscles. 5. Calf raises. Strong calves not only contribute to the aesthetics of your legs but also aid in overall lower body strength. Calf raises can be performed using a calf raise machine, a step, or even with just your body weight. Stand with your feet hip-width apart and slowly rise onto your tiptoes. Hold the contraction at the top for a second before lowering your heels back down to the ground. For added intensity, perform the exercise with one leg at a time or hold weights in your hands. And that's it, folks. With consistency and dedication, you'll be well on your way to achieving powerful and impressive legs. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss anything new. Thank you for watching. See you next time.